हाउसफुल में जैकलिन फर्नांडिस ने धन्नो में स्पेशल नंबर किया था। हाउसफुल 2 में उन्हें रिप्लेस किया है मलाइका अरोड़ा ने, जो कि स्पेशल नंबर कर रही है, लेकिन जैकलिन इज बैक इन अ लीड रोल इन द फिल्म। तो जैकलिन, जब आपको पहली बार बोला गया कि इस फिल्म में आप लीड रोल कर रही हैं, जिसकी प्रीक्वल में आपने स्पेशल नंबर किया था, व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन जब साजिद ने पहली बार कहा?
मैं बहुत शॉक में थी क्योंकि आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट that I had reached that level just yet. To be in such a big movie, in such a lead role, and to have, to work with actors like Akshay Kumar, John Abraham, Asin, it was, I think, for me, शायद मेरा सबसे happiest day था.
It's very honest of you to say कि आपने जब कहा कि आप शायद आपको लगा कि आप उतनी लेवल पे नहीं पहुंची थी, to work in such a big multi-star film, even though उसी वक्त आप Murder 2 की शूटिंग चल रही थी, and that turned out to be such a special hit. So do you think it was सब destiny में लिखा था, or big things to come out together?
I think so, and all sequels also. I don't know what it was. There was a time that I had just come, I had just completed my first 2 movies, and they, at the box office didn't do too well. And I was just towards the end of the year where I hadn't signed anything, and then I got 2 offers, which was Murder 2 and Houseful 2. And I was like, what just happened? I think in the industry, patience, is maybe one of the strongest things you can have in the industry, because a lot of people give up, and the minute you do that, you never know what you could have missed, because I was very close to that, and if I did, I would have missed out on all of this.
I want to know about John. किस तरह से John के साथ रहा शूटिंग करना? Did you guys end up becoming good friends?
Yes, actually I've known John from some time back, and not many people know this, but me and John were meant to do a movie. I think even before Aladdin had released, me and John were actually signed on for a movie together, and somehow it didn't work. But John was telling me, he was like, you know what, Jackie, I'm telling you, one day we're going to work together. And it happened to be, I mean, you can't get bigger than Houseful 2, I mean, to debut your Jodie. So I was really happy that, finally I got to work with John, because he seemed like an amazing person, like an amazing co-star to work with. And, after having worked with him, I realized that he's a shoulder to kind of like lean on. He's got a lot of brotherly love, I think, for his co-stars, and he's given me a lot of good advice. And I think, I have a lot of respect for him, actually. And we're working together in Race 2. Absolutely. So we're like, yay, very excited, because we get along so well,
On that, अभी आप Race 2 में John की तारीफ भी कर रही थी, that he did absolutely good action in that film.
He did, he is unbelievable. We were training together for the action, and I've not seen someone who is so committed, to his role and to the action. And every day we were traveling really far, to work on our harness. And I mean, for me as a newcomer, I sometimes feel like, yes, I have to. But he's a senior, matured actor, and I feel like maybe they don't give as much time, maybe to their producers, but he really does. He really does.
Talking about Race 2, you're playing the negative character in the film, and हम दोनों negative के बारे में discuss कर रहे थे, that how interesting negative characters turned out to be. So how was it? कितना enjoy कर रही हैं portraying a negative?
I think it's really fun. I think it's really fun for an actor, because there's so much potential, and you can really play around with your character a lot. And I've done a lot of very simple, girly roles, and I think now to actually slip into something with a lot of action, I think, it liberates women a lot. For me, I idolize Vidya Balan, and what she does with her talent. And I think, like with action and by being a little bit negative, you're just showing your variety as an actor. That's really important.
Jacqueline, in fact, अब हम Houseful 2 के बारे में बात करते हैं. जब भी पापा 2 गाना हम देखते हैं, for me the best part is when I see Rishi Kapoor, Randhir Kapoor, Mithun dancing.
Yeah, I
They
know.
are so amazing. Did you have a great time with them on set?
They are the loves of our lives. Like, honestly, when we were shooting Houseful 2, we only wanted to be around Rishi Kapoor and Randhir Kapoor. And when Mitunda also was there, we only wanted to be around them, because they were like, we were idolizing them.
Thank you so much, Jacqueline, for talking. It was pleasure talking to you, and we wish you a lot of success for this film and all
Enjoy the movie. Enjoy Houseful 2. Take care. Bye.
This is Aarti Dani with camera person Hari, Zoom, Mumbai.